I found peace in your vibe.
Kami atas nama sekolah pertama kali ucapan ribuan terima kasih Pak atas kunjungan. Kalau tadi kajari sabun sekolah Pak, kalau masih bisa menuju sekolah.
Your violence can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long.
Dalam tema hari ini, lakukan jadimu sering dulu baru sering.
I've been quiet for too long.